Hello my lovely kids. Children, today we are going to start a new chapter from our Grammar Magic. Chapter number 29, Interjection. So children, what are these interjections? Let us see some words. Yikes. Oh. Ah. Ouch. Hey. Oh no. Yup. Oh. Shh. Children, let us meet Mac and the robot Jitty. What Mac is saying, let us listen to him. Hey. Ouch. Wow. Well. Oh. Ow. Hooray. Eek. Shh. Jitty the robot asked, What happened, Mac? Hi, Jitty. Nothing. I'm just practicing a few interjections. Yippee! Yay! If you are happy, you are likely to say Yippee! Or we say Hooray! Yes, when we are happy, we use such words. If you are hurt, you are likely to say Ouch! Yes, children, when we get hurt, we use such words. So, children, interjections are words we use to express a sudden emotion. We use them when we are very happy, sad, hurt or surprised. So children, these are emotions. Yes, when we want to show our emotions, we use such words. For example, wow, I won the quiz. So children, here we are very happy. Yes, so we have used here wow. Ouch, I banged my head. When we get hurt, we use such words. So children, we usually use an exclamation mark after interjections. So children, after every interjections, we use an exclamation mark. So children, now look at the following table. The interjection ah to show surprise. Ah, we won. So children, when we are surprised, we use such words. Eek, to show sudden fear. Eek, there is an insect in my bag. Hello, hi, to greet. Hello Jaya, how are you? Yes children, when we want to greet someone, we use such words. Hello, hi, or to show surprise. Yes, when we are surprised. Hello, where is my ice cream cone? Now children, the interjection hey. So children, we use the interjection hey for calling attention when we want to draw someone attention. Hey, come here. Next one. To show you find a food item delicious. The mangoes are very tasty. Yes, when the food is very delicious, we use such words like Next one. Oh, to show surprise. Oh, we are lost. Or to show pain. So children, when we are in pain, we use such words. Oh, my tooth aches. Yes. Ouch, to show pain. Ouch, that hurts. Yes, children, when we fell down That time we make use of such words, oh or ouch. Yes, children? Now let us see next one. Oops. Realizing a mistake. Oops. I left my book at home. Guess? Shh. To ask someone to keep quiet. Shh. The baby is sleeping. Well, introducing an idea. Well, let's think about it. Yippee! Hooray! To show happiness. Yippee! My exams are over. Look at the pictures. What do you think they are saying? Let us see. Now children, here in this first picture, the girl is raising her hand. So she is saying, hey, to someone. Here in the second picture, the children are very happy. Hooray! And the third picture, a girl is holding a cup. Yippee! She is also very happy. And the fourth picture, the boy fell down. Ouch! He got hurt. In the fifth picture, a boy broke something. Oops! In the next picture, the boy is putting his finger on his lips. Shh. Next picture, the boy is eating something. Yes, it is very delicious. In the last picture, a girl is running. Yes, and there is an insect behind her. Eek! Yes. Now children, let us begin the textbook exercises. Look at this sentence. What? What did you say? Let us read the above sentence again. What? What did you say? Did it make some sense to you? Now look at these expressions. Ouch! Huh. Oh! Oh! These are not really words, but they really help us to express our feelings, don't they? When we get hurt, we often say, ouch, I cut myself. Similarly, when you see something horrible, wouldn't you rather say, oh, look at all that garbage spilling out of the bin. Yes, children, the words that express strong feelings of joy, sadness or surprise are called interjections. Yes? And we always use an exclamation mark after an interjections. Let us underline the interjection in these sentences. First one, oh, just look at that puppy. So here children, oh is the interjection. Second, hey, I am over here. Third one, oh, I did not know that. Yes, I can do it easily. Yes, children. So we use such type of words when we can do something. Yes, I can do it easily. Ouch, that shot really hurt. Understood, children? Children, 6 to 10, you have to do it, okay? Underline the correct interjections. B. Fill in the correct interjections. For these sentences, do not forget to use an exclamation mark. So children, let us see first one. Dash, I left my umbrella behind. Oops, I left my umbrella behind. Second, dash, did you make that cake? It looks delicious. Wow, did you make that cake? It looks delicious. Dash, it's time to go on a vacation. Hooray! It's time to go on a vacation. Yes, when we are very happy, yes, or when we are surprised, we use wow. Yes, or when we are happy, we use such words like hooray. Yes, children. So, children, now remaining question, that is 4, 5th and 6th. Okay, write this blanks by your own children. Okay, with the good handwriting and with the correct spelling. And don't forget to use an exclamation mark after every interjections. Okay. Now children, it's the homework time. What is your homework? Exercise A and B. It is given in the page number 96 and 97. Complete this homework children. Till then, goodbye.